Car Detailing Mistakes, a Beginner's Guide. Whether you're new to the world of car detailing or just looking to improve your skills, it's crucial to steer clear of common mistakes that could harm your precious vehicle. In this beginner-friendly guide, we'll walk you through a checklist of things to avoid for a successful and satisfying car detailing experience. Skipping the pre-wash rinse. Start clean. Mistake: washing your car without a pre-rinse. Why it's important: loose dirt and debris can scratch your car's paint during washing. Solution: give your car a quick hose down before washing to remove surface dirt and contaminants. Using the wrong soap. Gentle is key. Mistake: using dish soap or household cleaners. Why it's a problem: harsh soaps can strip away wax and damage your car's finish. Solution: invest in a quality car wash soap designed to be gentle on your vehicle's paint. Neglecting the two-bucket method. Dirt, be gone. Mistake: using only one bucket for washing. Why it's a problem: dirty water can transfer contaminants back to your car's surface. Solution: use two buckets, one for soapy water and one for rinsing your wash mitt or sponge. Scrubbing with the wrong tools. Soft touch matters. Mistake: using abrasive materials like dish scrubbers. Why it's a problem: scratches and swirl marks can result from harsh scrubbing. Solution: stick to soft microfiber wash mitts and brushes designed for car surfaces. Forgetting to dry thoroughly. No water spots allowed. Mistake: air drying or leaving your car to dry in the sun. Why it's a problem: water spots can form, affecting your car's shine. Solution: use a soft microfiber drying towel to ensure a spot-free finish. Ignoring interior detailing. It's not just about the outside. Mistake: focusing solely on the exterior. Why it's a problem: neglected interiors can lead to unpleasant odors and wear. Solution: vacuum, wipe surfaces, and use interior cleaners to keep your car's inside looking and smelling fresh. Waxing in direct sunlight. Shade is your friend. Mistake: applying wax in direct sunlight. Why it's a problem: wax can dry too quickly, making it challenging to buff off. Solution: wax your car in the shade or during cooler parts of the day for a smoother application. By avoiding these common mistakes, you're well on your way to achieving a professional-looking finish for your car. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time, enjoy the process, and soon you'll be a car detailing pro.